there. Today I show my grain retro poster effect, how to use it and custom it. There is previously apply some result. See, the looking is great, and our new resource. You can custom everything and decorate the border and background and color tone. Okay, first there is some apply preview. See, another color tone, another one. Okay, now start. First, to go my download file, there is extra background file and border extra. This is transparent border. This is extra decoration purpose, and this is our script and cover and our supporting information and help file written format and our supporting information there available. Okay, first load this section, go Photoshop and go window and action option, click. Then action option maybe show the right side. I have set it left side for better understanding purpose. And more option, click, and load action button, click. Now find out my download file, main file there, click and select the grain retro poster effect and load button, click. Now it loaded up and down option, and last one is this one is a folder and this is the script. Now open a photo. I open this time this photo. Make sure your photo is a good quality and high resolution photo. I crop the area in top section because I need to effect to show. So make space in crop tool use, see, and select the move tool and it's crop. Okay, and make sure your photo is a RGB color mode. If not RGB color, then go image mode RGB color, click there. If show images, click OK. And now you can check out the image size. Okay, you can use any high resolution image. I have typed there 300 pixel of any side, and make sure your photo is a lock icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some photo look like PNG transparent or layer 0 format. That is not accept the action. You need to fix it first. How to fix? Right button, click this layer and fit an option, click. Now is set a lock background layer. Okay, and now quick selection tool, select for masking purpose. Quick selection tool, select the second tool, and if you select the quick selection tool, there is the select subject button show. Then select subject button, click, is select your photo. Now create a new layer and double click new layer, text option, type there BRUSH, brush same my spelling and click others area. Do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma or uppercase, lowercase, mix-up character, only lowercase. And the pen bucket tool, select the top color and change the color and fill up it. If fill up the brush layer, then selection mode is show. You need to first deselect, then apply the script. Select and deselect it first. If you think some area is mistake our auto selection, so you can select now brush and soft brush or general hard brush, and make sure you select the brush layer and brush the area which area auto select mistake. Okay, is perfect. Now then select all in on and play action, play me. Just hit the play button. It will start working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. and you can custom every layer very easily. I show you how to custom it and edit everything and combine the effect. It's working still. Stop message, this is finishing. Stop message, hello there, action is done working. So now you can custom. This is the default setting result, and if your photo is not perfect shading and lighting, so then you can custom everything, and we have a raw layer. Everything is editable, you can edit, filter, and now how to custom the effect quality. This is on effect, and you can use another effect I have included. See, this is another quality, and uncheck this effect layer and view this one. This is another quality, and you can control this quality using this adjustment. Double click this adjustment and property option. Now you can move it. See the quality, our effect looking is changed, and the color is up and down option. See, the white tone is now more highlighted. See, okay. It's done. And if you want to extra lighting shading, so you can combine the extra and use this one, and also you can control this one using this adjustment. See, now another looking, and uncheck this one and view this one and uncheck this one. There is another quality, and double click this adjustment. Also you can adjust this quality. See the white tone, this is another quality, and you can change the background style in now I have one kind of motion style include, and see the looking overall. And now I show another motion. You can uncheck this motion style only for now dot style, and you can change the background style in the focus point, focus light point. Double click this option, and you can make it bigger, the blast bigger option on the or down it. See, okay, and OK button click. If set your custom, you can OK button click. This is another option in middle shade, shining, and another background style, the left side style. So this time I have used the round shade, this one, and uncheck these two, and you can uncheck this one, and last one is show. So I want to background color to now, or this is the background replace. You can replace background and another replace background, and this is the motion option you can add. See, and another motion you can add. Say the quality, and you can laze it by opacity, click, and you can laze it. Okay, I think is perfect. And another one you can view, and another one. So everything is editable. This time I have used this one, the lightly highlighted, and I use the background, this one. Click this view background replace here, and right button click the mouse. Default setting is perfect. You can replace background. I have include this background in my download file, the extra shape option. So I use now the background. Now right button click and replace content, and find out the background. You can select any background. This time I have used this background, select, or this one. select and OK button click. Now it's replacing. See, it's a triangle, so you can control T, or you can transform tool, move tool select and transform tool select, then you can rotate it and make it large size, and you can move the portion. I think this portion is perfect, and now you can custom it and show transform off, and you can check another one. You can hide this one and you can use this one. See, this one is another mode, and this one is another mode. So I like to this one, and control T or transform tool for move it. And make it bigger little. Okay, I think it's perfect now, and you can go the top in top option, and this is the photo outline option, and there is the border option. You can check out the border, click this one and right button click if you want to the border this photo, and replace content, and go my download file the extra border. There is some border example I have include. Select and like I like this one, and select and place it. Now border is placed, and move tool select transform tool, and I have make it bigger. See the border looking. Okay, show transform off, and now I have crop little for border area for looking purpose. Okay, it's cropping in my border area, others area cropping done, and this is the color on color pick and auto color pick. If your border is black, then this type of color of replace, and we can change this color easily. Go this option and shoulder color. In border top section you can white color, and OK button click the shoulder color, and right button click and clipping marks, then white border is show. See the border looking. Make sure the fill color is border top color and color is marks, release marks, and right button click marks. Okay, and double click this option. You can pick the color and you can replace color. See any of color, and this color, just use the black color, then automatically color is this. But I you can combine your color, your choosable color. This is perfect. And now I go the top option, and there is the adjustment. Double click this adjustment, and show property. You can make some adjustments. See dark and light, highlight option. See another one, the darkish and highish. So is very nice quality. And now you can use another color tone and hide this one, another color show, and use this one. And brightness, double click, you can also brightness adjust there, the color brightness also. And this time I have no need, and another brightness, another one. You can control this brightness using this option. Okay, this time I have show off because I just show you. This is color changer, and double click this option and property option show. Now we can change color, select. Okay, which color you like most. See the quality, nice. hide this one. Now show another color quality and double click this. This is soft color changing, and another color and another, and we have include more color. If you think you highlight the all color and color mode, just click this option, the extra color added 10. See, color is more lighted color. See, light tone color. Okay, now I show you another photo. Just make sure your photo is a good quality photo, lighting, shading is perfect, then our effect is work nicely and work very fast. Type there. Okay, quick selection tool and select subject button. Create a new layer and brush, pen bucket tool, and fill up the color in brush layer and selection, deselect, and image size. Okay, you can use any high resolution image and hit the play button. Now it start working. Finishing message, and see the quality is nice quality. You can use this one, the another quality show, and double click this option and adjustment out of white shade, and see out of another dark color. See the adjustment. Okay, and color changer. This is the faded option. You can add and fade option show. See the color changing option and move it, and quality. Okay, so still if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile or our Facebook fan page and our WhatsApp number. You can join our live support any text, fix the time, and download this product, our Creative Market shop MRI Studio. Visit our shop in Creative Market MRI Studio. Our all product is available there in commercial license, personal license, and extended license. And also you can visit my on site www.photoshopaction.net, and there is the free file available. You can visit this free file section, and flash sale option, flash sale going on, and also bundle 99% bundle offer going on. You can visit the bundle page for big discount and flash sale going on. Check out the description, a link for download this product.